Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garden. Let's tour the garden in December with my sister who came visiting from Cincinnati, Ohio. Look who I have in my backyard.
Welcome to YAJE'S garden.
The one and only Miss Tehila Betts. That's my sister, y'all. So we are gonna go have a garden tour. A garden tour in heels. So this is
in heels. Why should I put on this kind of heels? Maybe I should have taken off my shoes, right?
Wait, let me bring you some slippers. This is Subara. We go to the farm with heels.
With heels.
Yes.
Yeah, anyway,
So here's my garden.
Wow.
It's because it's December. This is December, guys. That's why the garden is looking like this. But still, for December.
Guys, do you know that we can still have this? Look at Bitterleaf. Who doesn't love Bitterleaves? This one is original medicine from Africa. This is what our grandparents used to cure all kinds of diseases.
It's the panacea.
Yes, so this is the paracetamol. Ancient days.
That's Bitterleaf, guys. Yes.
And look at njama in December. Where in America would you see njama in December like this?
Only in Mama Ruth's garden.
Mama Ruth's garden zone
9A. Yeah.
Harvesting. Let me not come and destroy.
No, I beg, please harvest. Just harvest. There's no wrong way.
Do you harvest from the bottom because you have your special way? This YAJE, when they say my own is J, that's the meaning of her name.
You can harvest. You can just harvest. The thing is, this is the end of the season, right? So I am not expecting. This is the end. You know. Once we have frost,
is to conclude. We've come to harvest. Well, we did not sow.
Guys, look at the shoes. They say farm for America and Nyanga. Look at that, guys. All right. So here we go. Yes.
See waterleaf. This lady, she has everything.
I have waterleaf. I have
Bitterleaf.
Yeah, this is sweet bitterleaf now. Yeah. See, it start produce flowers now for winter.
How will Bitterleaf find so? And this one, I could wake up it tomorrow.
Oh yeah. This is the one that when we had that ice. Yes, and it covered every place. Yes, this one. It came back. As long as you have the roots. As long as you have the roots, it will always come back. Harvest on my papaya. I call this papa's peppers because this is the one that I brought from Binka.
This one.
My father gave the peppers to me. Yeah, I can.
You have this episode. You have this one.
I have it. I have it. I really want people to actually plant this. Give my papaya pepper. They may live forever.
Differentiate it, right?
Yes, you can. They are red and they have that particular shape. They are very red.
Red and small, tiny.
Well, it's because it's the end of the season. Usually, it's not. Yeah, it's the end of the season. Normally, people don't get peppers this late into the season. It has this ridges like that.
One like this, it's gonna make a seed.
Yeah.
Wow.
Then this one here came from Kumba. My mother-in-law sent the seeds to me. This one.
And they're hot, right?
Wow. But they're hot. But what I like best is the flavor. You know that some of these peppers here you put in food, but you don't get that smell.
Really get the smell, yeah.
So this one has that aroma.
They have that aroma and then jam sweet.
Yes, exactly.
Sometimes you can just smell this pepper and start eating fufu.
Yes.
And you can even eat like 2 big bags.
Just from smelling, just from the aroma. Exactly.
Pepper.
Exactly. Yeah, that's the difference between. It's not just about the heat; it's the aroma.
Yes.
It's
the aroma. I
aroma.
always look for habaneros, but sometimes the habaneros is not really giving us
that flavor. Yes.
That nostalgic.
You're very right. I had a lot of habaneros, but those are stopped producing, so I uprooted them.
Leaf for Bitterleaf. I must cut leaf.
Cut them, I beg, mommy. Cut the one way if you cut them. If you want the Bitterleaf harvest on the one, even though I don't harvest. As I talk now, end of season. That's why.
Yes, I will take it.
Okay. At this point, normally Bitterleaf, I'm taming, and I'm trying to actually see if I can get seeds. So this one, they're all the ones that are sad like that. We'll be mixing.
Yeah, mix.
And this, it's hard to find somebody who understands what you say in a different language and then not speak English. We usually don't speak English.
Yeah.
Where we are from,
we speak Limbom. We speak
Limbom. You know that I've made people understand now that this is called njama. People that are not Igbo, people call it njama. The name will be known.
It will be known by the whole world.
It's njama.
See the African ladies in their African outfits. So, yeah. See, hey, food. See, family is good. Look at food.
My auntie is going to eat some whip from
If you whip to Texas, it goes zone 9. Whip me zone 9 or zone 9. Would I get any zone 9 by see when no?
Them got so uncut.
Would have let me zone 9 or would have me zone 9 to Texas, Houston. YAJE'S. Where is it? Book look bad Jane or I'm
My sister took whatever we harvested from the garden back to Cincinnati, Ohio. This is my auntie here. She is just expressing so much joy and happiness that she gets to see some vegetables that she has not seen in a very long time, and this just makes my heart so full. It makes me so happy. This is why I do this, to bring such joy to my auntie. Made me very, very happy. What she has here is the cowpeas, and these are the peppers that my sister harvested from the garden. The mix of peppers, papa's peppers, the yellow peppers, all the peppers from Cameroon. She was overjoyed, and I had so much fun with my sister. I hope you guys found this video fun, and most importantly that it inspires you to grow a garden. Gardening is capable of making you happy. It really is, and that's the whole reason why I do what I do on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not go without giving the video a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And if you have not yet subscribed, here is a gentle reminder to click on that red subscribe button and also turn on notifications. Until next time, guys, grow a garden. Bye.